Hi boys and girls. Today's learning video says, I can determine the meaning of words and phrases to understand a text. To practice this goal today, I'm going to use a page out of the book Money Matters. I'm going to look at pages 18 and 19. If I want to know what a debit card looks like, I can look at the picture on page 18, right here. If I have a question about the differences between a credit card and debit card, I can read the information on pages 18 and 19. There is a lot of information here about credit cards and a lot of information here about debit cards. I also see some text features. I see a text box here, a caption telling me about my picture, and another caption here. I can also find the meaning of the word fees and other keywords and phrases by using the glossary at the back of the book. Glossaries are used to help you understand words that you don't know. So for example here, if not, the bank can charge extra fees on the money that has been borrowed. So if I didn't know what fees meant, I could always go to the back of the book and look in the glossary. I know what a debit card looks like now because I can use the picture here to help me. And I've learned the differences between the two types of cards because I've looked and read in the text. Your learning goal today was to determine the meaning of words and phrases to understand the text. By looking in the glossary and using your illustrations or pictures to help you, you can meet this goal with any informational book that you read.